Well, hello there. I'm Joel Tucker at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm gonna make sure that you clear your schedules for March 1st and 2nd. It's gonna be your second annual RV Expo, which is right around the corner. Now, you wanna get ready because it's a time of our RV maintenance seminars, exclusive service and camp store discounts and giveaways happening every hour. You'll even have a chance to meet our vendors and register for a chance to win a $200 gift card to your state park of choice. Now, we will be grilling out on Saturday, so bring your friends, family, and your appetite for burgers, hot dog, chili bar, and all the fixins. We certainly do hope to see you there for the biggest event of the year. Now, RSVP to www.winterrvexpo.com. The first 100 families will get a free gift on us. So we'll see you there.